This is what is called a mechanical iris mechanism. And today we're going to be taking a close look at it. If you're new here, my name is Aaron, and I'm a mechanical engineering student who likes talking about mechanisms here on YouTube. So how exactly does this thing work? Let's start off by taking a look at this pinion right here. It all starts when we move this pinion. When we rotate it, it acts upon that gear that's on the outside. And when that gear rotates clockwise, this arm pulls these blinds. And when it pulls those blinds, they also rotate clockwise along with the gear. And when their gear rotates counterclockwise, the arms right here push on those blinds instead of pull, causing the blinds to rotate in a counterclockwise motion in the same way as the gear again. Alright, so let's take a look at these components that are needed to make this thing work. We got 16 joint locks, we got one base, one pinion, one gear, 5 arms, and 5 blinds. So I'm going to start assembling this thing by first putting this gear onto the base. And following that, I'm going to put this pinion onto the side of the base so then the gears can be in contact. Now I'm going to attach these blinds to the base by putting this hole into that pin right there. Now using the arm components, I can attach the blinds to the gear. Alright, so you could already see this mechanism starting to work, but to finish it off, I'm going to lock it all in place together using these joint locks. Alright, so that's how you assemble this mechanism. And I wanted to note that you're not limited to 5 blinds only. If you want to design your own, you could go with 3 arms, you could go with 7 arms. You're not limited to 5. Alright, that's all I got to say about this mechanism. I'd like to thank you all for watching. And if you liked the video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. Goodbye.